Hi friends, this is 5 YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can set auto call recording in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First of all, go to call button and click on these three vertical dots and click on settings there. Now click on call recording and here you can select under always record numbers not in your contacts. Just turn on this button and click on always record. That means the numbers that not saved in your contact will have call recording. Suppose if any unknown person, unknown numbers will call you, that recording will be automatically done and also it will alert the caller. And next one is selected numbers. If you turn on always record selected numbers, only some particular numbers will have call recording. For example, you can choose from your contact. So here I choose from my contact. I choose Duraimani and again I choose a contact and I select Sobi Poster and Achari and Achari Ramar. So these contacts will have only call recording and others will not have call recording. So in this way also you can include particular numbers and those particular numbers will have auto call record. Now I check it. I make a call from an unknown number. Yes, call is receiving and I answer the call. Call recording checking. Call recording checking. Call recording checking. Call recording checking. Thank you. I stop the call recording. This is unknown number and it is saved. It is already alerted the opposite person. And to see the recorded call, go to call button behind here and see the number. This is the last call I received and click over it and you can see a recording here. Just you can play it. Call recording checking. Call recording checking. Call recording checking. Call recording checking. Thank you. If you want to delete this recording, you can use a delete tool here. And now I make a call from known number. Already I have selected a call recording for this particular number and now I call from that number.
This call is now being recorded.
Yes. Call recording is going on. Call recording checking, call recording checking, call recording checking. Thank you. I stop it. And to see the recorded call, again go here and click on the call, click on the contact that you receive call, and here you can see the recorder. In this way, you can easily do call recording for unknown numbers or some particular numbers only in your phone. This is OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.